Top 4 best vegetables you must eat to flush out toxins and save your kidneys. If you're not eating these vegetables regularly, your kidneys may be working much harder than they need to, and you probably do not even realize it. Most people think kidney problems only happen when you're old or already sick. That is not true. Your kidneys are working 24 hours a day, filtering waste, cleaning your blood, and keeping your entire body alive. But as we get older, they do not filter waste as fast. The workload builds quietly. The damage builds quietly. And by the time symptoms appear, things are already serious. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 4 best vegetables that help flush out toxins, reduce kidney stress, and protect your kidney function naturally. Each one is backed by real clinical research. Stay until the end, because vegetable number 3 is one that almost nobody talks about for kidney health after 60. And it could be one of the most important ones on this list. Let us get started. Vegetable number 1 is one that surprises most people. Cassava. Now I know cassava is not something most people eat every single day. But once you hear what it does for your kidneys and how easy it is to add to your meals, you may want to change that starting this week. Here is why cassava is so valuable specifically for kidney health. Your kidneys are extremely sensitive to 3 things after 50: high blood sugar, high blood pressure, and excess protein waste in your blood. Cassava helps address all 3 in a way that very few other vegetables can. Cassava is a starchy root vegetable rich in resistant starch. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate that your body does not digest quickly. Instead of flooding your bloodstream with glucose the way white bread or white rice does, resistant starch moves slowly through your digestive system. This keeps your blood sugar stable, reduces insulin spikes, and dramatically lowers the filtration burden on your kidneys after every single meal. A study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that resistant starch from root vegetables like cassava significantly improved blood sugar regulation and reduced kidney stress markers in adults with early-stage metabolic conditions. Cassava is also naturally very low in potassium and phosphorus, and this is critically important for kidney health. Here is why. When kidney function declines, your kidneys struggle to filter excess potassium and phosphorus out of your blood. These minerals build up slowly, damage blood vessels, and accelerate kidney deterioration over time. Most vegetables, even healthy ones, are relatively high in potassium. Cassava is one of the rare exceptions. It gives you the nutrition and satisfaction of a root vegetable, without the potassium burden that struggling kidneys cannot handle. The National Kidney Foundation specifically recommends low-potassium vegetables, including starchy root options like cassava, as ideal choices for people managing kidney health at any stage. Here is exactly how to prepare it the right way. Always cook cassava before eating. Raw cassava contains naturally occurring compounds that must be broken down completely by heat. Boiling or steaming is always the best method. Do not fry it. And do not add heavy salted sauces or butter. Boil until tender. Then season lightly with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon juice or a small drizzle of olive oil. 2 to 3 servings per week. Replacing higher potassium starches like potatoes is a practical and powerful change you can make right now. Tell me in the comments, have you ever eaten cassava before? Did you know it was this beneficial for your kidneys? I read every single comment, and I would genuinely love to know your experience. Now let us move to vegetable number 2. Bean sprouts, specifically mung bean sprouts. I completely understand if your first reaction is, bean sprouts seem so ordinary. How could they possibly make a real difference for my kidneys? But stay with me, because what mung bean sprouts do inside your body is backed by some genuinely impressive research that most people have never heard. Mung bean sprouts are exceptionally rich in antioxidants, specifically a group called flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants do one very specific and important job inside your kidneys. They neutralize free radicals. Every day, your kidneys are exposed to oxidative stress caused by filtering waste products, environmental toxins, and the natural byproducts of your metabolism. Free radicals are the unstable molecules produced by this process, and they attack and damage the delicate filtration membranes inside your kidneys, called the glomeruli. Once the glomeruli are damaged, kidney function begins to decline, and that decline is largely irreversible. This is why protecting them early matters so enormously. The antioxidants in mung bean sprouts directly protect the glomeruli from this oxidative damage. Think of them as a repair and protection crew, constantly working to keep your kidney filtration membranes healthy, intact, and functioning properly. A study published in the journal Food Chemistry found that mung bean sprouts contain exceptionally high levels of antioxidant activity, specifically targeting oxidative stress in kidney and liver tissue. Mung bean sprouts also have natural gentle diuretic properties. They encourage your kidneys to produce more urine, which means toxins and waste products are flushed out more efficiently every day. This reduces the concentration of harmful substances in your blood and gives your kidneys meaningful relief from the constant burden of filtration. And here's one more benefit that almost nobody mentions. Mung bean sprouts are extremely low in calories, low in sodium, low in phosphorus, and low in potassium. They are one of the most kidney-friendly vegetables that exist. You can eat them regularly and generously, without worrying about any of the mineral imbalances that damage struggling kidneys over time. Add raw mung bean sprouts to salads, or lightly stir-fry them with a small amount of olive oil and fresh garlic. Add them to soups in the last few minutes of cooking, so they keep their nutrients and their gentle crunch. Never overcook them. High heat destroys the antioxidants that make them so valuable. Before we move to vegetable number 3, if this video is helping you think differently about your kidney health, please take 2 seconds and subscribe to this channel. Vegetable number 3 is one you have almost certainly eaten your entire life. String beans, also known as green beans. They seem completely ordinary, something you add to a meal without giving it a second thought. But the research behind string beans specifically for kidney function is genuinely compelling. And once you understand what they are actually doing inside your body, you will never overlook them again. Here is what string beans do for your kidneys. String beans are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and beneficial plant compounds called flavonoids. But the 2 most important things string beans do for your kidneys are things most people never hear about. First, string beans are a natural diuretic. They contain compounds that gently and naturally stimulate your kidneys to produce more urine. More urine production means more toxins, more waste products, and more excess minerals are being flushed out of your body consistently. This reduces the concentration of harmful substances in your blood, and reduces the daily workload on your kidney filtration system significantly. A study published in the journal Phytotherapy Research found that green bean extracts demonstrated significant diuretic activity, meaningfully increasing urine output and improving the elimination of metabolic waste products in test subjects. Second, string beans are exceptionally low in potassium compared to almost every other vegetable. This matters enormously. As kidney function declines, potassium builds up in the blood to dangerous levels. High potassium can cause irregular heartbeat, muscle weakness, and in serious cases, cardiac events. Most green vegetables that are genuinely good for general health are actually too high in potassium for someone carefully managing kidney disease. String beans are one of the rare vegetables that are both nutritious and genuinely safe for kidneys at every stage of health. String beans also contain chlorophyll, the compound responsible for their deep green color. Chlorophyll has been shown in research to help bind to and remove certain toxins from your digestive tract before they even reach your bloodstream. This means less toxic material reaching your kidneys in the first place, which means less work and less long-term damage. Steam or lightly boil string beans until just tender. Season with fresh lemon juice, olive oil, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill. Avoid salt, butter, or heavy cream sauces. 3 to 4 servings per week as a side dish or in soups is a simple and genuinely powerful kidney health habit. Tell me honestly in the comments, do you already eat string beans regularly? And did you know they had this kind of benefit for your kidneys? Drop your answer below. I read every single one. And now, vegetable number 4. This one is one of the most well-researched and most kidney-friendly vegetables available anywhere. And yet most people eating it every single week have absolutely no idea what it is quietly doing for their kidneys. The vegetable is cauliflower. Cauliflower might seem like a simple, ordinary side dish, something you steam quickly and serve without much thought. But what cauliflower does inside your body, specifically for your kidney filtration system, is backed by real and impressive clinical evidence. Here is exactly why cauliflower is so powerful for kidney health. First, cauliflower is exceptionally low in both potassium and phosphorus, as we have discussed throughout this video. These 2 minerals are the ones that struggling kidneys have the hardest time filtering as function declines. Most vegetables that are considered genuinely healthy are actually too high in potassium for someone managing kidney health carefully. Cauliflower is one of the safest and most kidney-friendly options available. The National Kidney Foundation specifically recommends cauliflower as one of the top vegetables for people managing kidney disease because it allows you to eat a generous and satisfying portion without putting dangerous mineral stress on your kidneys. Second, cauliflower is rich in a compound called indole. Indole is a natural plant compound that helps your body eliminate toxins through your digestive system before they ever reach your bloodstream. Less toxic material reaching your blood means less toxic material for your kidneys to filter every single day. And less daily filtration burden means slower kidney decline over the long term. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that the indole compounds in cruciferous vegetables like cauliflower. Third, cauliflower contains significant amounts of vitamin C and folate. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects kidney cells from oxidative damage every single day. And folate supports healthy red blood cell production, which is critically important because kidney disease so often leads to anemia as kidney function declines. A study published in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases confirmed that adequate folate intake was directly associated with slower progression of kidney function decline in adults with early to moderate chronic kidney disease. Steam or roast cauliflower without adding salt, season with fresh herbs, lemon juice, or a light drizzle of olive oil. You can also mash it as a low potassium alternative to mashed potatoes, which are far too high in potassium for struggling kidneys. 3 to 4 servings per week as a side dish, in soups, or as a mash is one of the simplest and most effective kidney health habits you can build starting today. Now, let me bring all 4 vegetables together into a simple weekly routine you can start right now, 2 to 3 times per week. Replace higher potassium starches with boiled or steamed cassava as your side dish 3 to 4 times per week. Add fresh mung bean sprouts to your salads, soups, or stir fries 3 to 4 times per week. Steam or lightly boil string beans and serve with lemon and fresh herbs 3 to 4 times per week. Steam, roast, or mash cauliflower as a low potassium side dish. 4 vegetables, 1 simple weekly routine. Start adding these to your meals and give your kidneys a better chance to stay strong for years to come. If this video helped you today, please share it with someone you love. A parent, a close friend, a neighbor, someone who wants to protect their kidneys naturally. Which of these 4 vegetables are you going to add to your meals first? Drop it in the comments right now. I read every single one. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do that now. Because next week, we are covering the 5 early warning signs that your kidneys are already in trouble, that most people completely miss. You do not want to miss that one. I will see you there. Take care of yourself.